Hi! Eating a healthful diet rich in antioxidants can help reduce wrinkles. Antioxidants help protect the skin from free radicals that can cause damages and wrinkles to the skin. To help you in keeping up with the preventative care of your body and your overall well-being, I am bringing to you this smoothie recipe that is so good for your skin health and your heart health. This is not to say that this is the only thing this smoothie recipe does, because this is a very powerful smoothie recipe, but this is just a major concentration for today. Welcome once again to my channel. I am super excited today because you guys have really been so supportive to me. Shout out to all my subscribers, shout out to all my supporters, shout out to all of you, all the new ones. You all, I wish I can help all of you. I wish I can give kisses to all of you. You guys have really been super amazing to me. I am super excited. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for all the ones that will still click the like and subscribe button. I can't thank you guys enough. And your trust in supporting me and believing in me is giving me so much motivation to keep on researching to bring you the best of the information I can. I promise I will keep on doing much more better. Also, don't forget to keep putting in the comment section any topic that you think you want me to talk about. Feel free to put it in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and share and like my video. Thank you so much. Before we get into the making processes of this smoothie, let's take a little review into some regular lifestyles that we live that may affect our aging processes. Number one is tanning. Whether you are taking a suntan or bed tanning, whatever kind of tan you are taking, you are exposing yourself to harmful UV rays. These rays accelerates aging, causing wrinkles, age spots, blotchy complexion, and wrinkles to the body. And it can even cause skin cancer. Am I asking you not to enjoy the sunny, summery season that we all had been expecting, especially coming out from lockdown, that we want to get out there and enjoy the sun? No, that's not at all what I'm saying. I am only saying take a preventative measure by supplying yourself with enough antioxidants that can help replace whatever nutrient your body has lost or whatever free radicals that your skin have attracted. Those antioxidants will fight it to eliminate it from your body so that you don't have to suffer from any skin damages. Or whatever kind of tanning that you are taking, make sure that you take a preventative care of your skin, both inside and outside. The number two one is limiting your sugar intake. Sugar and refined carbohydrate can accelerate your aging process. So for you to help your body reduce your intake of sugar or lots of carbohydrate that can actually convert into sugar and accelerate your aging process. Number three, avoid stress. Avoiding stress is key to preventing wrinkles and early gray hair. Whatever you can do to prevent yourself from unnecessary stress that doesn't worth it, do it. Avoid things that causes you unnecessary stress, because stress is the major thing that increases aging process in people and actually make you to have untimely gray hair, you know. So when someone gets stressed up so much, the body releases cortisol, and what this cortisol hormone does to the body is that it goes and breaks down the collagens and the skin. And you know what it means when the collagens are weak in the body loses its elasticity and it starts sagging, showing lots of wrinkle lines and tiredness and worn out. So this is why you really need to do what you can to prevent stress. And of course, when you are highly stressed, it leads to heart attack or mental health too. So it is very important for you to abstain from stressing yourself so that you won't get into depression, you won't develop early aging signs and wrinkles and all that, and also protect your mental health. Number 4 habits that you may be taking that may actually be accelerating your aging process is alcohol. Alcohol causes dehydration to the body and causes the skin to dry out. When the skin loses the hydration, it starts looking older. Smoking. I know many of us actually have developed this habit of smoking. Smoking actually accelerates very quickly your rate of getting older, except while smoking you are taking preventative measure. And you know what smoking does? It blocks up all the arteries in the lungs and in the heart, so exposing you to higher chances of heart diseases and heart attack and all sorts. So this is why you need to, if you cannot quit smoking, or you cannot reduce smoking, it's advisable to stop anyway. It's advisable to quit. But if you're finding it difficult to quit, it is important that you top up on your healthful diet. And this is why eating healthy diet, eating fruits and vegetables that are rich in antioxidants is highly recommended, so that you will enjoy your life. Aging cannot be stopped. You will definitely get old. You will definitely get wrinkles. But instead of getting wrinkles and looking old in your 20s and in your 30s and in your 40s, you can slow it down and actually start having them maybe at your 60s. So these are few of many of your regular lifestyle or my regular lifestyle that may be accelerating aging process, but I can't keep on ranting more and more of them because there are so many. But it is worth it to take a second look at your lifestyle and see if there are some ways of your lifestyle that you can actually cut down on to help live a healthy lifestyle. At this season when we are having pandemics up and down, hold up, it's very important because we don't know after coronavirus, we don't know what next that is coming to attack us. The only backup you have, whether you are taking vaccines or taking anything you're taking, the only firewall stronger than every other thing is your immune system. If you can build your immune system strong, it is the greatest firewall that you can ever have to fight any kind of infection. So join me in the kitchen so you can learn the smoothie process that can help you butch up your skin health and your heart health. In fact, your overall lifestyle experience. Let's go! This is another smoothie recipe that is very, very good for your brain health, not only heart and skin. Blackberries contains vitamins C, A, K, E, and antioxidants, which not only protects the skin from visible effect of pollution, but improves elasticity of the skin. It promotes scar fading and may prevent stretch marks. Incorporating this fruit in your daily diet is a huge benefit. Magnesium and fiber present in blackberries prevents the arteries from getting blocked and stimulates a smooth flow of blood. This reduces the risk of various heart diseases such as stroke and maintains cardiovascular health, regulates blood pressure, prevents cardiac arrhythmia and irregular contractions. Blueberries are a very powerful fruit with huge health benefits. The nutrient it contains that is good for heart and skin health is the fiber, potassium, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and phytonutrients. Vitamin B6 and folate prevents the buildup of homocysteine, which can damage blood vessels when it is excessive in the body and lead to heart problems.
Collagen, which is the support system of the skin, relies upon vitamin C as its essential nutrient to help prevent skin damage caused by the sun, pollution, and smoke. It also may improve collagen's ability to smooth wrinkles and enhance overall skin texture. Turmeric is a family of ginger. I guess you already know the power of this root crop. Its antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties helps keep the skin free of blemishes and deeply nourishes the skin. Its antiseptic property can provide relief from acne, soothe eczema, and other skin conditions. In my previous video, I talked more about the nutritional value of banana. Click the card above to access it. Banana contains lots of potassium, which is essential for heart health, especially blood pressure control, apart from its effect in improving digestive health. Dates. Adding dates to your daily diet improves your blood triglyceride levels without raising blood sugars level. Some researchers have found out that taking dates can improve the quality of lipids, that's fat, in the blood. Well, I don't know. I had been taking dates. I haven't noticed any atom of fat in my body, so I cannot say much about this research. I spoke a lot about kefir, this probiotic yogurt, in my previous videos. Click the link above to access it. Generally, it's good for gut health and very good for digestive system. As you've already know, if you've seen my previous videos, that I like to add little water to my smoothie because I like my smoothie slightly thick. Vitamin K contained in blueberries or some other fruits plays a key role in blood clotting. Therefore, don't forget to check your allergens or with your doctor before using them, or at least know the quantity your body can accept without side effects, especially if you are prone to blood clot or if you are taking blood thinning medication. Remember, you can always measure all these things. Me, I prefer my ancestors' ways, measuring with my eyes, and it's perfect. What twist would you like to apply when trying out this smoothie recipe? Please share with us in the comment section. We would like to try it too. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you haven't done so yet, and like and share my video. Thanks in a million for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Tell me what you think about this video. See you next time. Bye bye. Now you can go sit by the sunlight and enjoy your smoothie.